X10 Unboxing Display. X10 installation, helmet tutorial. Basic operations. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blue light flashes. After powering on, it is in standby mode. When the phone is on, press and hold the power button. Plus scroll button at the same time for 3 seconds. And the voice announcement will return to the default settings. Indicator light. The red light flashes 3 times, the blue light flashes once, and the pairing record is cleared successfully. Press and hold the Ejeas key greater than plus power key at the same time for 3 seconds to turn off. An X10 with AV6 Pro 加 Bluetooth pairing tutorial. Press and hold the power button greater than off the X10 for 3 seconds to turn it on. And press and hold the motor button of the V6 Pro Plus for 3 seconds to turn it on. After powering on, press and hold the scroll key of the X10 for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Press and hold the motor button of V6 Pro Plus for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. When the blue lights of the 2 machines flash slowly at the same frequency, the intercom pairing is successful. X15G Intercom pairing tutorial. Press and hold the power button greater than of Unit 2 for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold the power button of Unit 2 for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click Bluetooth connection on mobile. Found Node to find X10 and click pairing. After the connection is successful, you can view the device information. Of Unit 2, control the device volume and function settings. Press and hold the power button of Unit 1 for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold the power button of Unit 1 for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click Bluetooth connection on mobile phone Node 1 to find X10 and click pairing. After the connection is successful, you can view the device information of Unit 1, control the device volume and function settings. Press and hold the motor button between mobile phones Node 1 and Node 2 at the same time. Click. Create group chat on mobile phone Node 1 or 2. Enter your group name and click Confirm. After confirmation, click Join Group on mobile phone Node 2. You can join the group by entering the group number or scanning the QR code. After successfully joining, click Group Voice Chat greater than to achieve 5G Intercom. X10 and mobile phones Bluetooth pairing tutorial. Press and hold the power button of the X10 for 3 seconds to turn it on after powering on. Press and hold the power button greater than for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, find X10 in the list of available devices, and click Pair. After successful connection, you can control mobile phone music, control incoming phone calls, and listen to navigation. Last number replay, wake up mobile phone, voice assistant, and other functions. After the X10 is successfully connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth, click the power button to play or pause the music. Scroll will key greater than slide up and scroll will key greater than slide down to increase, decrease the music volume. Click the scroll wheel greater than and slide up to switch to the next music. Click the scroll wheel greater than and slide down to switch to the previous music. After the X10 is successfully connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth, double-click the power button. The last call made will be automatically dialed. After the X10 is successfully connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth, long press the power button for 3 seconds to wake up the mobile phone voice assistant. After the X10 is successfully connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth when there is an incoming call from the mobile phone. If there is no operation within 8 seconds, the call will be answered automatically. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the power button greater than 3 seconds to directly hang up the incoming phone call. Click the power button within 5 seconds to answer the call manually. Clicking the power button again will hang up the incoming phone call. X10 product color shell replacement tutorial. Use your fingers to gently open the bayonet from the side of the device. You can remove the casing. Stylish and colorful X10 product casing, available in multiple colors. Insert the new shell of the selected color into it and make a click sound when you are done. X10 Smart Voice Control Tutorial. Hi Ejeas. Play music. Hi Ejeas, next song. Hi Ejeas. Increase volume. Hi Ejeas. Turn on music sharing. Hi Ejeas, battery status. X10 music share tutorial. Simultaneously click the power button of Unit 1 X10 and Unit 2 X10 for 3 seconds to turn them on. After turning on the phone, press and hold the power button of Unit 1 for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Find X10 in the list of available devices and click pair. Click the scroll keys of Unit 1 X10 and Unit 2 X10 3 times in succession and T to enter music sharing mode. When the blue lights of the two machines flash slowly at the same frequency, the music sharing mode pairing is successful. Unit 2 can hear the music played on Unit 1's mobile phone. Clicking the power button of Unit 1 and the power button of Unit 2 can control music playback and pause. Click the scroll key greater than of Unit 1 X10 and Unit 2 X10 up or down to switch to the next song, previous music. Note, X10's music sharing mode supports up to 2 machines at the same time. See Unit's mesh pairing tutorial. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on 4 machines at the same time after powering on all X10. Press and hold the Ejeas button greater than for 5 seconds until the red and green lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click the Ejeas button of any X10 when the green lights off. 4 machines flash slowly at the same frequency. Pairing is successful. Note, the operation of 10 X10 units entering mesh intercom is the same as above. X10 microphone silent tutorial. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on 4 machines at the same time after powering on all X10. Press and hold the Ejeas button greater than for 5 seconds until the red and green lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click the Ejeas button of any X10 when the green lights are full. Devices flash slowly on the same frequency. The pairing is successful. Click the mesh button on Unit 1 to mute the microphone. You can only listen, but cannot speak. Click the mesh key again to unmute the microphone and allow talking and intercom. X10 channel switch tutorial. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on 4 machines at the same time after powering on all X10. Press and hold the Ejeas button greater than for 5 seconds until the red and green lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click the Ejeas button of any X10 when the green lights are full. Devices flash slowly on the same frequency. The pairing is successful. The default is channel 1 with a total of 5 channels simultaneously. Click the Ejeas button and the scroll wheel button on Unit 1. You can switch to channel 2. Click the Ejeas key and the scroll wheel key at the same time to quickly switch from channel 1 to channel 5. Note, only when X10 are both on the same channel Only then can simultaneous intercom be achieved. Otherwise, simultaneous intercom cannot be achieved. X10 listening pattern tutorial. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on 3 machines. At the same time, after powering on machine 1 and machine 2, press and hold the Ejeas button greater than for 5 seconds until the red and green lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click the Ejeas button on Unit 1 or Unit 2 when the green lights of the 2 units flash slowly on the same frequency. The pairing is successful. Unit 1 and Unit 2 are in the mesh intercom state. Press and hold Unit 1 and Unit 2. Press the Ejeas button and scroll wheel button on. Unit 3 for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Click the Ejeas button on Unit 1 when the green lights of the 2 units flash slowly at the same frequency. Unit 3 is paired successfully. You can hear the intercom sound from Units 1 and 2, but Unit 3 can only listen but not talk. An X10 with AQ bar mesh pairing tutorial. Press and hold the X10 power button for 3 seconds to turn on the computer, and press and hold the Q8 Ejeas key for 3 seconds to turn on the computer. After turning on the Q8, press and hold the mesh intercom button for 5 seconds until red and green flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Press and hold X10 Ejeas key greater than 4 seconds until red and green flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click the Ejeas button on the X10 when the green lights of the 2 machines flash slowly at the same frequency. The pairing is successful and people can talk at the same time. FM on off. Press and hold X10 power button for 3 seconds to turn on the computer. After powering on, double-click the X10's scroll key to open the FM radio station. Click the scroll wheel greater than and slide up to switch to the next channel. Click the scroll wheel to slide down. Switch to the previous channel. Double-click the scroll key of X10 to turn off the FM radio station. X10 and EUC pairing tutorial. Press and hold the power button of the X10 for 3 seconds to turn on the computer. Press and hold the scroll key and power key for 5 seconds until the red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Press and hold EUC's FM key greater than and key for 5 seconds until the red and blue light flashes, clearing the pairing successfully. Click any key of EUC when the blue light of X10 flashes slowly. X10 and EUC are paired successfully.